Hi, my name is Aaliyah. I'm the owner and director of Life Yoga Studio. I've put together this little video for you so that you can find your way to our studio. Hopefully the step-by-step instructions will make it easy for you. If you ever have any problems or if you can't find the space, you're always welcome to call 647-559-5433. We'll see you soon. Hi, and welcome to 61 James Snow Parkway. We are a very popular plaza here in Milton, and I have parked my car right here by the Euromax. This is the side door. This is the entry to get upstairs to the studio. This plaza has the gas station. It has McDonald's down there and Starbucks over there. I'm making my way to the side door right now. Through this door, you'll see a stairwell. Come on up. Okay, we're at the door of the studio. This is so exciting. This is our second studio. We used to have another one. It was a little bit smaller than this one. Wait till you see how gorgeous this place is. When you enter to your left, we have our wonderful yoga supply shelf here where we have everything for all your yoga needs. This is our studio. This is your healing oasis here in Milton. We are so excited to have you, and we hope this video has been helpful for you.